Very good morning, student. Now we're discussing about the question of resolution of partnership. This is the question. A and B are partners sharing profit loss in the ratio 2 to 1. The balance sheet been given there on the date of resolution. They are resolving. First of all, we transfer the assets from the realization account. Asset what will be transferred? Fixed asset will transfer, stock will transfer, debt will be transferred. Or we then go to the credit side. Furniture will be transferred, goodwill will be transferred, cash at bank will not be transferred. On the liability side, we transfer creditor, BP. Partner A is a partner. A loan will not be transferred. Mrs. A loan will transfer. Workman compensation is a will not transfer. And capital balance not being transferred. Okay. After that, the figure being given, the how the asset been sold. I'll let you know in the question. See here. Now we come to the question. Now see here. We transfer the assets here. Fixed asset, stock, debtor, furniture, and goodwill. And the liabilities creditor, BP, Mrs. A loan, and provision. Okay. After that, all the asset will be sold out here. The point been given there. A agreed to take over the furniture at 20% less than the value. Partner is taking the asset to buy A capital. He's taking furniture 20% less than the book value. So if 20% means 4,000 decrease minus and that becomes 16,000. Next point is given there. Fixed assets realized 32,000, stock 55,000. Asset is sold and no partner is taking that much. Is sold for cash. To buy bank account, we write on the name of the asset. Fixed asset gone for 32,000 rupees, stock gone for 55,000 rupees, and that goes for 25,000 rupees. Next point is given there. The point being given that debtor is amounting 30,000, 5,000 become bad debt. What we realize from the debtor? 25,000 rupees. Next point is given the expenses realization. Expenses you have to pay, the payment will go there. Expense realization paid 5,000 rupees. No partner is paying. That means the payment is given in cash by expenses 5,000 rupees. Next point is given the creditors paid 5% discount. You have to pay 40,000 to the creditor. Payment go here in the creditor. 5% minus from the 40 become 38,000 rupees. Another point is given there in the question. You have to pay damage claim 6,400 rupees and the payment will be given here. No partner is taking. That means paid under the head of bank damage claim. Okay. After the question being silent, see here whatever we have transferred from here. These are the liabilities we have transferred from this side to this side. Okay. After that, provision will not be paid. See here will see the payment. Creditors being paid here. BP and Mrs. A loan not been paid. Provision never paid. These should be paid here whether it's been given in the question or not. If it not been given there, we paid under the head of bank. So we make the payment of BP and Mrs. A loan here fully. You have to check this thing. And then we may take the total of bank come this side 374,000 and here bank total come this one. We make the total of both the side. This side is bigger, this side is shorter. There is a loss of 55,400 divided in the ratio being given 2:1. This come 27,700, 13, 850, 1850. Okay, been done. Now see here we making partner loan. The A loan is being given there. I said if the loan of partner is being given there, it will be paid separately. So first of all, at the liability having a credit balance, buy balance, BD, and to bank, we give the payment to the loan account. After the making capital account, the balance of the capital first of all given the balance sheet. See here the balance being given there. 40, 20, 20. Okay, so we write on the balance here. First of all, after that we see on realization what we having loss that will go here. Okay, if the profit then it will come here. Now we see the balance sheet what is being distributed between the partner. P and WCR reserve. WCR is the way. If liability has been given there, it will come to the credit side. So by WCR old partner sold issue. Now nothing has been given there in the liability side, asset side, P&L, advertising suspense, nothing been given there. Now what we're gonna see, we'll see here. If partner's name come in the debit side line account, that will go to the capital account here. There is no name of partner's capital. Here the name of the capital. If it is given the credit side, it will go to the debit side of partner's capital account. From which account you are writing? Liation account. 16,000. So you write on two liation furniture 16,000 rupees. Okay. After we make the total, whatever the balance come, you have to give payment because the firm is dissolving. So two bank account, A we giving payment to A 6,300, 11,150 and 1150. Okay, now in that way the capital account is done. Now we're making bank account. First of all, the balance given in the balance sheet, we left balance at cash. That is given in the balance sheet of the question. 10,000 being given there. After that, you not need to see the book. What do you see? Check your first account. Name of bank. Here we write down in the debit side. So in evaluation account, bank account, it will go to the credit side. Which account we write down? License account. Here the name of bank. Credit side. So in bank account, it will go to the debit side. To license. Like 12,000. Now we check the next account. Here the name of bank is given to the debit side. So in bank account it will go to the credit side. Okay, buy a loan. Which account form you writing? For a loan. The capital it been given to the debit side. So in here it go to the credit side by bank, whatever payment you given. So you have just check the name of the bank and write down. If it is given in this account debit side, in bank it will go to the credit side. If it is given in this account on the credit side, then in bank it will go to the debit side. And then we make the total, and total of both the side come equal. In that way the question be done. I hope you understand. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you.